Imagine having a team of behavioral scientists helping you make business decisions and do your marketing. This would essentially be your company's nudge unit. Now, really big corporations actually have these sometimes. You can imagine it's probably expensive to hire a group of behavioral scientists. So that's why I'm trying to virtualize it. If you saw my first video about this, I put basically almost every book that I've ever read about behavioral economics or the psychology of persuasion into a vector database and connected a bot to it. I said, I really want to turn this into something that could create really good business intelligence. And then I did it. But I hated the output. Here's why. I made the mistake of asking ChatGPT how I should structure this, like what a nudge report would look like and what factors it would need to take in and what factors it would need to put out. And ChatGPT is usually really, really reliable when it comes to telling it all of the details of what I want to do and then it giving me good advice about what to do with it. But not this time. This time it missed the mark, and I should have just trusted my own instincts because I know a lot about this topic. So I scrapped the entire bot, redid it all, and now I'm much happier with the results. Basically, I have this virtualized marketing analyst team. It technically leverages 3 different RAG bots, and it generates like a 2,000 plus word report. Let me show you what this thing can do. So this is a report I ran on my own business. It goes over behavioral analysis of my target audience, talks about their decision-making process, behavioral insights. These are specifically behavioral economics terms that kind of explain why people make the decisions that they make. It gives me a customer avatar. Then it does a competitor analysis. I put my competitor's website in there, and it talks about what they do well, what they are not doing well, and how I can outcompete them. Right then we have behavioral interventions. This is like the little things that I can change in my website to make a big impact. Implement social proof. That's a very common bit of advice I get from these bots. Copy improvements tell me what wording I should change. Offer improvements tell me how I could make the offer, the products, the services that I provide people with even more appealing. Channel suggestions tells me what marketing channels I should use, what social channels I should use. Hook suggestions give me ideas on hooks to get people's attention. Marketing strategy, key performance indicators that I should be tracking, and then an implementation roadmap. Then I went ahead and did the same thing for an Amazon product, just so I could see some range in like what this thing can do. And I love it, man. It did all the same analysis, but this time completely focused on a physical product. It looked at the Amazon listing. It looked at the reviews that I downloaded and gave it. It looked at the competitor website that I gave it, recognizing that it's a big brand. It gave some suggestions on like listing improvements that could be made. I really also like the fact that it totally recognized that this is an Amazon product. So channel suggestions, it mentions Amazon advertising. It also mentions changes to the Amazon product page, talking about A+ content. This thing provides some really robust business intelligence, and now I'm actually happy with it.